Welcome back to my YouTube channel, friend. Today we are discussing the one and two important topic of the accounting. First of all, we should understand about the bad debts. What is the bad debts? Bad debts is the simply thing that whenever we sells any goods to the business and we are not receive any amount, and that the person is said that I am not able to pay and he became insolvent, so that amount is our bad debts. So that amount in the future we are not receivable in the debtors part. The amount we sold, we have to assume that we will be receive this amount in the future. But if the person is not able to pay this amount, then we consider as the bad debts. And the general entry for the bad debt is bad debt expenses account debit to account receivable. Okay, now we should understand about the bad debt. Now we should move to the another topic, and the name of the another topic is the depreciation is the amount that is used to reduction the value of the fixed asset due to the wear and tear. Okay, according to the taxes and the law, the government said that there is a fixed asset and you should always reduce the value before submitting the final return to the government. So we can make the depreciation entry of the fixed asset, and there is a particular type of percentage is fixed by the government, so we can calculate and we can run the depreciation in this way. So the journal entry for the depreciation is depreciation account debit to fixed asset. Depreciation is basically reduce the value of the asset. Okay, now we should understand about the depreciation. Wait, I mean two things is completed now. One thing is that solvent. Okay, solvent in the simple language we can understand that solvent is the person who has a more asset than liability, and he can able to pay his all his financial obligation to the any person, that is known as solvent. And now we should understand about the insolvent person. Insolvent person is who has a more liability than the asset and he is not able to pay his obligation, so this is known as insolvent. And now we should understand about the debit and credit. Debit and credit are the important parts of the accounting, and we also said that accounting is means totally depend upon the debit and credit. And in the simple word we should understand that on the left hand side we should say the debit, and on the right hand side we should use the credit. And debit and credit has a balances increase or decrease is depend upon the type of asset. For example, if the asset has, then there is a debit balance, and if the liability has, then there is a credit balance. If asset is increased, then we should use debit, and if asset is decreased, we should use credit. It's the vice versa. Thank you very much, friend, for giving your quality time. Today we are discussing the most important topic of accounting.